I'm really excited to be part of the team traveling, considering that this will be my first time traveling to that side of the world. I see this as a big motivation, and I'll really put in my best, work hard so that I'll always be in this kind of trips going forward.
I think we've grown 6 times in terms of our profitability, and the partners that are with us today are the key supporters that have made that happen. So to recognize this, we sending them out for all paid up trip to Malaysia and to South Singapore and some parts of Asia, so that they can get to enjoy themselves and relax for about a week. And just a small way for us to say thank you.
This is a big step towards what we do as a travel company. Not only do we focus on leisure, we also do work with corporates, and AAR is one of our main corporates that we work with. And this partnership is just elevating our offering out there.